I am going to speak about the mighty Himalayas, one of the greatest natural wonders of the world. The Himalayas are the highest and youngest fold mountains in the world. The word Himalaya comes from Sanskrit, where Hima means snow and Ale means home. So, Himalaya means the abode of snow. These mountains remain covered with snow throughout the year and are known for their breathtaking beauty. Location: the Himalayas are located in the northern part of India. They stretch for about 2,400 kilometers, from Jammu and Kashmir in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The Himalayan range also extends through Nepal, Bhutan, China, Tibet, and Pakistan. In India, the Himalayas pass through the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. The Himalayas are home to many famous mountain peaks, beautiful valleys, glaciers, rivers, forests, and hill stations. The three parallel ranges. The Himalayas are divided into three parallel ranges. Himadri, Greater Himalayas. The Himadri is the highest and northernmost range. It remains covered with snow throughout the year. It has some of the world's highest mountain peaks, such as Mount Everest and Kanchenjunga. Many glaciers are found here, and several important rivers begin from these glaciers. Himachal, Lesser Himalayas. The Himachal range lies south of the Himadri. It has beautiful forests, green valleys, and many famous hill stations such as Shimla, Manali, Mussoorie, and Nainital. This region has a pleasant climate and attracts many tourists every year. Shivalik, Outer Himalayas. The Shivalik is the southernmost and lowest range. It is also the youngest part of the Himalayas. It has low hills, forests, and wide valleys called duns, such as Dehradun. Many villages and farms are found in this region. Importance of the Himalayas. The Himalayas are very important for India in many ways. They act as a natural wall, protecting India from the cold winds coming from Central Asia. They help bring the monsoon winds, which provide rainfall for farming. Many important rivers, such as the Ganga, Yamuna, Indus, and Brahmaputra, originate from the Himalayas. These rivers provide water for drinking, farming, and hydroelectric power. The Himalayas are covered with thick forests that are home to many animals, including the snow leopard, Himalayan black bear, musk deer, and red panda. They provide valuable natural resources like timber, medicinal plants, and fresh water. They are an important destination for tourism, trekking, mountaineering, and adventure sports. The Himalayas are also home to many famous temples and monasteries, making them important pilgrimage centers. They help maintain the ecological balance and support millions of people who depend on their rivers and forests.